Well, self-proclaimed National Resistance Movement General Miguna Miguna has filed a lawsuit seeking the restoration of his passport and the invalidation of his deportation.
Miguna is also seeking an order to allow him back into the country unhindered. Steve Juma with the latest turn of events in the Miguna Miguna circus.
In a sworn affidavit through his lawyer John Haminwa, embattled politician Miguna Miguna is fighting back. He argues that his forceful deportation to Canada was a total violation of the Constitution and international law on citizenship and right to a fair administrative action and dignity.
Miguna Miguna is something that is difficult to believe, that you can actually send a citizen, someone who was born in this country, who has got his own family members here, his many relatives here, and you send him to a country like Canada where he doesn't have roots at all. It is really deplorable.
Miguna is further suing Interior Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiang'i, Director of Immigration retired Major Gordon Kihalangwa, the Inspector General of Police Joseph Boynet, Director of Criminal Investigations John Kinoti, and the Attorney General Githu Muigai.
Because they messed up so badly that the court said they can't even charge me anymore. The court has stopped them from charging me. But you know, I told them, bring them on, even 1 million charges. You will never get a conviction. There is nobody who can get a conviction against me in a proper court of law. Because I know I'm so innocent. And they also know that they would have a battle they have never met before.
In the petition, Miguna is also seeking to quash the Gazette notice that declared National Resistance Movement a criminal group. He says nothing will deter him from fighting for what he believes is right, despite the alleged harsh treatment at the hands of the police. Miguna was deported to Canada on February 6th after being held incommunicado for 5 days. The government insists Miguna renounced his Kenyan citizenship and never bothered to reclaim it.
Terminating a citizenship is a process also, just like extradition, just like deportation. You don't just wake up and lose citizenship. How? How would you lose citizenship? Who invalidated? Who withdrew it? Where? With what instrument? Do you understand? Mm-hmm. Because it's not the state that does that. It's a court of law. So who took me to court to say, Miguna, from today, you cease being a citizen of Kenya?
On Thursday, the court is expecting Inspector General of Police Joseph Boynet, DCI boss George Kinoti, and retired Major General Gordon Kihalangwa, who is the Director of Immigration Department, to appear in person with sworn affidavits explaining the circumstances surrounding Miguna's deportation and to show cause why they should not be punished for ignoring court orders issued by Justice Luka Kimaru. Steve Juma, NTV.